Thanks for tuning in. If you're feeling a little unmotivated or stressed because you're not where you would like to be when it comes to achieving your goals, then we want to share 4 ways that you can reset so you can continue to be motivated to achieve your goals. So, hi everyone, it's Deanne and Crystal here. Welcome to Empowered Mind, where we focus on helping women to achieve their goals and live their best life. So now to move on to the topic. You are not alone, first of all, if you feel a little bit unmotivated and you're not where you want to be, because according to research, over 80% of New Year's resolutions actually fail by the second week of February. And here we are in February. So don't feel like you're alone. You're not alone. But what we want to do is help you to get motivated to continue, to not quit. Don't give up. Number one is to remember your why. Why did you set those goals at the beginning of this year? That's really important. And if you don't know your why, create a why right now. You need that why, because every time when you feel like, oh man, I'm not going to do it or I can't do it, you go back to your why. And literally, your why is your motivation. So you can continue, so you can keep going. So, number one is to, ladies, remember your why.
Yes, definitely. Remember your why, and remember to make your why so convincing and so strong that it gives you a reason to stay motivated. I want to move on to number two. What is your how? And that is, when you set your goals, did you also make it very specific on how you would accomplish your goal? I think, your how is almost your preparation. It's that consistency.
That is super important. And number three is right along the line of what I was talking about, is something that will help us, that will help you, all of us, to achieve our goals, is if we can try to form a habit. And the best way to form a habit is to repeat it over and over and over again. So if there's something you want to get started with, try to see if you can get it in your schedule every single day. For example, if you say, you know what, I want to wake up early in the morning, like that's my goal. I want to start waking up earlier in the morning. So what I do is I say, okay, you know what, in order for me to wake up early in the morning, I gotta have some type of a morning routine, something that's repetitive that I know I can do all the time.
Those routines really become your lifestyle, those habits. And I think this one, I can't say enough about it, is to review your schedule and planner. Your schedule and your planner only works for you if you use it. So the more you use it, the more you get comfortable with using them, and the more they work for you, where you put it on your schedule and you have to get it done.
Yes.
Sometimes the problem is you don't have the right schedule or planner that's going to work for you. I remember I tried a whole bunch of different planners before I realized I just need the schedule and planner on my phone. That is the best for me. I'm going to check my phone. I'm going to remember. If I write it down in one of the schedules, I may lose that, or I may not know where it is, or maybe it's finished, or whatever it is. But if it's on my phone and I put 9 a.m., then I'm going to get a reminder, and that's easier. So finding that right schedule is really important, so that you can achieve your goals. Time management is essential. We talk about time management a lot on this channel because it's so important. And I think, when it comes to your life, you have to figure out how to prioritize your time and use your time wisely enough. It's the only currency you don't get back. You can always make more money, you can always do different things, but you can never get your time back. So if you use it wisely enough, you can make the most of it. And it's important also to have something that tracks your goals. Not enough is said about that. Whether it's like on your notepad, you're checking them off, if it's an app that you're trying out. So whatever it is that helps you to track your goals. So we just want to check in with you guys. How's it going? How's it really going with you right now, with your goals, with everything else that's going on? What helps you to stay on track throughout the year? That is so important. And have you tried one or all of this? Are you consistent about it? I think that's important too. So, I just want to encourage you guys, even if things haven't worked out so far, they still can. you know, they still can. And if you're looking for a community and a tribe to really help you level up and get to your next level and achieve your goals, then check out our Empowered Mind group on Facebook. We'd love to have you ladies. Let us know. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Have a good day.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for future videos. We'll see you in the next video.